Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So we're going to prep up our stuff for Escovitch. We have here quarter of a large bell pepper, or we call it sweet pepper in the Caribbean. Right, I'm just going to chop that into julienne strips. So for the onions, normally I'd cut these into rings when I'm doing Escovitch fish. But I'm going to be cutting these into strips just to see. Next up we have our carrot. So the carrot now, just going to cut those into nice strips. And then we're just going to julienne strip those. We're going to add a tablespoon of pimento berries or allspice berries. You want help? Clean up, clean up. Put it down, thank you. Some fresh thyme. Lastly, the star of the show, Scotch bonnet. Alright, so there we go. We have here in total about 1 bell pepper, but we do multicolor, so it's a quarter of each basically. And we have 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, or you can go with the amount to your spice tolerance. A sprig of fresh thyme, 1.5 white onion, and we have 3 medium carrot, and all of those are julienne, and of course a tablespoon of pimento or allspice berries, and this is going to be for a nice Escovitch sauce. So now we're going to go in some olive oil in my hot pan, about 2 tablespoons. So onion first on a medium heat. So yeah, get that onion nicely caramelized. So we have a little bit of the pimento berries inside. So I want to cook these onions for about 2 or so minutes. Season with a little bit of salt. We're using pink salt here. That's gonna add a tremendous amount of flavor from the get-go. Gonna go in now with our carrot. Here we go. Next up, we're gonna go into our Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah. This is the part where you cannot stay inside with the kids. I'm gonna season with about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. This one gets black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. So we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you have white sugar, you can go ahead and use that. And we're going to stir. Holy. Not too far away now. So we're going to add the sweet pepper and the fresh thyme. As you know, sweet pepper cooks real fast. So I want to add that in. Give that a stir. That looks divine. And then we're going to finish off with 1 cup of white vinegar. Here we go. Beautiful. Gonna allow it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're just going to kill the heat. So kill the heat because we still need a little bit of crunch on our vegetables, right? Oh my days. Ooh. Get some of the sauce, the honey. Yes, yes. It no miss. It no miss. Cause it's a spiciness here. And vegetables still crunchy. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.